So, hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Yum Yum Herbias, and hello to all my Yumilicious around the world. How are you there? So, today guys, I'm going to unbox the stuff of our new family member, and her name is Zoe, okay? But at this moment, guys, Zoe is sleeping, so I cannot disturb her. So, one day I will introduce to you. I want you to meet her also. So guys, we will start now to unbox the stuff of Zoe. Here we go, guys. So anyway, how are you? Oh my god. As you can see, guys, there's a lot. So I'm so excited na. Wow. As you can see, guys. So this is the sleeping. Okay. The sleeping bed of Zoe. Wow. It's a big one. Actually, guys, there are some sizes, so I ordered the medium. Yes. This is the size of this sleeping bed. And also, what is this? Ah, this is for her food. As you can see, guys. Zoe, baby. Zoe. Zoe, actually, she's going to 2 months old now. Okay, guys. So, you know already that she's a puppy. She's a dog. As you can see, it's very cute. This is for her food. Okay. For her water and for her food. Okay, what else I ordered? Oh. Snowy. Snowy is a bunny, guys. So I have a bunny, I have a puppy. Oh, this is a big one. So this is all her accessories for. This is her. I don't know what is this. The hair brush. Okay. Fur brush. Okay. And we have gloves also here. So what is this? Ah, okay. This is all for her. Ah, okay. The scissor. Yeah, for her fur. Okay. The comb. Different design. The scissor. Okay. Scissor for cutting and scissor for the fur. Okay. What else we have here? Okay. So this one, guys, I don't know what do you call this one. Okay, I don't know where you. I think this is for her shower. Yes, this is for the shower. To brush her body. Wow, this is the one I'm waiting. Her dress. The strawberry. You can see, guys, it's very cute. You see? It's a strawberry. Yeah, I'm gonna wear this one for her later. And of course, her blanket. It's very cute. Snowy, Snowy. My bunny is watching me. See, this is her blanket, guys. And then, of course, another blanket. The color purple. Very good, guys. See? It's cute. And what else? This is all for this is the pads for her wee wee. If she will make urinate, guys, so we will put the pads. Okay, so there is 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 9 pieces of pads. Okay, so I bought for her also the disposable diaper. Actually, guys, we buy also another one for her last 2 days ago. Where is that? And so this is another one. Okay. And oh, before I forget, this is for her because she's a girl. This is for her if she wants to make pee pee or poo. Yeah. See, he just woke up now. Hello, Zoe. Good morning. Hello, Zoe. Good morning. Yes, just for a while. This is all your stuff. Yeah. And also, guys, I buy the first aid kit. So, in case of emergency, we have the first aid kit. Yeah, this is all for you, my darling. Just for a while. As you can see, guys, I have my first aid kit. Let's check what is inside. Yeah, for a while. Mommy's busy, so there is some. Okay, emergency blanket, cotton bud, scissor, plaster, soap wipe, bandage, guys. Okay, there is a tape also. Everything is here. The medicine kit. This is only for emergency. Yes, I'm coming. Mommy's coming. Just give me 1 minute. And the rest, guys, it's for myself. Yeah. I will give this to my daughter. Wait. Okay, Mommy's coming now. You start to cry. Also, your bottle, for if she will drink the water. Yes. It's all mine. Give me 1 minute, my darling. Okay, I'm coming. This is all mine. Also I buy for her clip. Okay, give me 1 minute, guys. Okay, Mommy's here. Hello. Good morning. This is Zoe. Look at your face there. Say hi to them. Hi. How are you? See, this is Zoe. Zoe is very sweet. See? Hi. Hello. Where's your eyes, huh? Where's your eyes? Huh? Where's your eyes, baby? Huh? This is my baby. Huh? Where you want to go? Huh? Look at your face. Say hi to them. Say hi to them. Kiss to mommy. Kiss to mommy. Mwah. Kiss to mommy. Kiss to mommy. Huh? What? Hmm? Yes. You're sleepy still? Still sleepy. So this is Zoe, guys. And she's only 1.5 months. So if she reach 3 months, we're going to, we'll send you to the veterinary, okay, to do her vaccine And also to put her chips here. And we will apply her passport, guys. Right, Zoe? Kiss mommy. Kiss mommy. Huh? Everyone is watching you. See? Look at them. There. Wait. Say hi. Hello, this is Zoe. My name is Zoe. Look at them. Wait. Where are you going? See? Mommy. A little bit shy, guys. See? This is all your stuff. Okay? This is all your stuff, my darling. Okay, guys. So, thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Yum Yum Herbias. And also don't forget to like and share. Bye na. See, I buy your clothes. This is for you. Okay, guys. Bye. No? Yes? Look at your face. You are so pretty. Yes? Okay. Hi? Yes, Zoe? Baby?
Bebe, tinry kong linisin yung ano.
Yung?
Yung parang prituhan.
Okay.
Scrub.
Zoe! Show! Mommy, mommy! Zoe! See, that is your bed.